Hi, I'm Charlie White. I'm a software developer and an architect based in Louisiana. And we've been working with the iPhone recently, and we're very excited about the possibilities that it has and what it could do for our design and build business that we run and operate. We're out at one of our projects today, actually, and we want to show you a demonstration of what the iPhone could do to improve how we work. So going down our nature trail, if you will, come join me over here. So here we are coming upon our first problem that we found today, which is where we have some water backed up on one of our paths here. And then on the other side, I see we have some erosion. So I have Kristen here at my office. Thanks for being patient, Kristen, with us today. And she's got a file already started on her computer that via my iPhone, I'm going to join her, and we're going to talk about this problem. So all I do is go hit my Easy Meeting app on my iPhone, and it pulls up my Easy Meeting screen, which gives me a few choices. In this case, I'm going to choose the Join option. I'm going to join a conference on Kristen's computer, and then it pulls up the iPhone contact list, where from there I can pick Kristen off the list, and there we go, I'm joining her conference. This conference is a punch list from a previous inspection on this project. And now I'm in the conference with her. And Kristen, what I want to do is show you this problem. So what I do is go hit my add tool, and then it pulls up a couple of choices there, and I'm going to choose the photo tool, which brings up my iPhone camera, and then I can just simply go here and shoot a picture of that. There we go. And now Kristen's looking at that on her computer, and while we're in the same mode with the camera on, I'm going to go ahead and shoot a picture of our erosion problem on this side. And now that Kristen has it on her computer, we both can sketch and make notes on the issue. So Kristen, while we have this one where the erosion is showing this edge, what we're going to need to do is essentially right there add probably about 2 cubic yards of crushed concrete to facilitate that, keep that from eroding. Now before we do that, of course, go back to our other photo here, and we're going to go and put a catch basin here, probably about an 18 inch by 18 inch, I say, and tell Roger we want to go ahead and punch a 6-inch plastic PVC pipe underneath that path so it drains out the other side. And then, as we said before, go back and add that crushed concrete on the other side of the path. So that's our first problem of the day. You can see how the iPhone has really dramatically increased Kristen's and my ability to talk with clarity about the issue here in the field, and really then pass it on to all the folks that are going to do it. And we did it right here on the spot with our iPhone. So now we go to the next problem that we find. So we've gone a little further down the path, and we have another little problem that we came upon here, where we have some erosion over a culvert and some crushed concrete that we put over a creek. And so I'm still in the conference with Kristen, still in my camera mode, so I'll just simply go and take a picture of that, and that will go to Kristen's computer. In fact, I'm going to go on the edge here and shoot another one. And Kristen, you see where we're going to take that, and again, probably 3 cubic yards of crushed concrete will take care of that. Be sure and tell them we're going to need the bobcat and the trailer for that. And let's go on to our next spot. So we're at our next stop on our inspection tour. We've come across a little problem here where the cap's missing on this vertical structural piece on this bridge that we've constructed. And again, I'm still in the conference with Kristen, still in the camera mode, and all I simply do is push the camera icon and shoot a picture of it, and there it's on Kristen's computer. And Kristen, if you will, just put a note on there to order the right cap and paint around the rusted area as well. Thanks. Okay, and we're on our final problem we found on our inspection tour. This is a little bit bigger than the other problems that we've seen so far. You see here where we've had a collapse of the bank. This is actually damage from Hurricane Gustav when it came through, and we got like 16 inches of rain in a day. And I still hooked up with Kristen at the office, still in camera mode on my iPhone. So again, I just simply snap a picture here of the damage, and then let's go to the other side. Kristen, you see this? Yes, and then snap another picture of that, And Kristen, you can see that there. And on both sides, I think, Kristen, what we're going to have to do is go put, let's look right here, put a concrete retaining wall right here on this. I'd say probably about 6 inches thick, probably going out about 4 feet to either side of the culvert. And then go back to this other, our first pile, yeah, that one there. And again, right here, this is probably going to have to go about 8 feet past the culvert, center of the culvert on both sides. And again, 6 inches thick. We'll need to compact the soil behind that retaining wall and ultimately get our asphalt guy out here to do that repair. So if you would, make a note, that's going to involve Roger and Kenneth and Billy. And that's it for the inspection today. Isn't that cool, the way that we can work together? The iPhone really changes everything for us. We already can do this on PCs, and what we are interested in doing is developing the same application on the iPhone, which we think is just a perfect match for each other. Thank you very much.